After you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com from this homepage of the TurboTax, you want to tap on this Intuit account button at the bottom left of your screen, which will open up a new tab, which is Intuit account, as TurboTax is a part of the Intuit. On this window, click on Data and Privacy button at the left side of the screen. On Data and Privacy, you may scroll down a bit until you see the Delete option. Before deleting your data, you may download it before, just in case you need it, because after deleting TurboTax account, there is no way to get it back. After you are ready, click on Delete option right here. On this window, you may choose on which reason is making you want to delete your TurboTax account. For this video, I am going to choose for I have multiple Intuit accounts and want to simplify option. TurboTax then will recommend you some stuff to do, but you may just scroll down and hit the Continue button. You may do a double click of the account that you want to delete, and after you are sure, click on Continue button again. On here, you may choose the TurboTax as the option that you want to delete the account, not any other Intuit product. And after you give the check mark on TurboTax, click on Continue button. After that, do a check mark again to ensure that you want to delete your TurboTax account. And then, after you click on Delete this data button, TurboTax will ask you to sign in one more time so they can be sure it's real you, and they will sign you out of your Intuit account. Make sure to check on your email messages regularly until a notification about your TurboTax deletion are fully completed. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.